For the first step, we're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Then we're going to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. Once we're on it, we're going to type in sfc /scan now and click on enter. You want to run this scan. We can run it in the background as you do the next steps in this video. For the next step, we're going to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. Once we're on it, we're going to scroll down till we find Bluetooth support service. You want to double click on it and then make sure that the startup type is on automatic and that the service status is running. Click on start, which will make it running, and click on OK. Then you want to repeat that for both of these ones, Bluetooth audio gateway service and Bluetooth user support service. Make sure that they're all running and that the startup type has been set to automatic. For the next step, we're going to head over to search again and type in CMD. Then we're going to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. Once you're on it, you can copy and paste the command which will be down below in the description, or you could just type dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health and click on enter. You also want to run this as we do the next steps in this video. For the next step, we're going to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. Once you're on it, you want to find Bluetooth. I don't have Bluetooth on this computer, but once you find Bluetooth, you want to expand it and then you want to find your Bluetooth device. You want to right click on it and then click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that the best driver has been installed. After you do everything in this video, you want to reset your computer and then the problem should be fixed.